Hello and welcome to day one of English of ESLO instruction for newcomers grade 3 through 5. I'm Mr. Ebling. Hopefully I'm a teacher that you remember from just a few weeks ago. Let's keep going. This presentation is based on the grade 3 to 5 newcomer ESOL day 1 packet. There's a picture of the packet right here. These paper packets can be picked up at meal distribution centers throughout Baltimore. The center closest to Highlandtown Elementary Middle School is John Ruhrah Elementary School. The school address is 701 Rappolla Street, Baltimore, Maryland 21224. So again, I encourage you to go there if you have not yet. You can get free meals and you can also get work packets to help you keep learning English while you are at home. On this page of the packet, we see the materials that we will need, the objective, and important words to learn. Our objective is going to be to tell about the parts of a flower, what plants need, and why plants grow in the spring. Hopefully you will have pencil, paper, crayons, and markers. Important words in this lesson are flower, stem, corona, petal, leaf, bulb, and roots. Today we will learn the parts of a flower, what plants need, and why plants grow in spring. We begin by looking at a picture of a flower. What do we notice? What do we wonder? I notice the different heights of the flowers, the shape of the flowers, and the curls that are on the long part of the flower. I wonder why flowers are shaped the way they are, and what are the curly things on the flower? On this page, we see the names of the different flower parts. I notice that the words corona, petal, and bulb are not on the diagram. The activity on this page is to make a crossword puzzle with some of the words at the bottom. It looks hard, but have fun. Here is another diagram of a flower. Practice writing the names of the flower parts. Here are 4 short poems to read about flowers. Yellow, yellow daffodil, dancing in the sun. Oh, yellow, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. I can hear a bluebird sing and hear a robin call. But yellow, yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. I'm a little daisy, tall and slim. Here are my petals, here is my stem. When the sun comes up and the rain comes down, I grow, grow, grow up from the ground. Sunflower, sunflower, standing straight and tall. Sunflower, sunflower, you're the tallest flower of them all. Sunflower, sunflower, when your seeds fall to the ground. Sunflower, sunflower, by the squirrels they'll be found. Roses in the wintertime, roses in the fall. The roses in my garden are the nicest of them all. Ever fragrant, always sweet. Oh, how I love the rose. I really think and feel is the nicest flower that grows. Now on this page of the packet, we're asked comprehension questions about the 4 poems that I just wrote. A tall flower is the sunflower. A sweet flower is the daisy. A sweet flower is the rose. A flower that is yellow is the daffodil. This page has a selection to read. After reading, write words that you know and new words. Plants are living things. They depend on water and light to help them grow. But how do plants find what they need? They get it from the world around them. Plants get water from the soil. They get light from the sun. Many plants have roots, stems, and leaves. Roots keep a plant attached to the soil and help the plant take in water. Water moves up the plant's stem to the leaves. The stem also supports the plant so it stays up straight. Leaves take in light energy from the sun. The leaves use water, light energy, and a gas called carbon dioxide to make glucose. Glucose is a kind of sugar. It is food for the plant. Yes, plants make their own food. They use it to grow. On this page, We need to answer questions using these frames. A plant needs to grow blah blah blah, and plants grow in spring because blah blah blah. A plant needs water and light to grow. Plants grow in spring because they get light energy from the sun to make food. In this section, we will think about and write what a plant would say to you if it could talk. We should use these words: water, light, food, grow, and I need blah blah blah. Then we should draw a picture. If a plant was talking to me, it might say, "Hi, I am a plant. I need water and light to grow. I use water and light to make food." This page has extra resources to use if you have access to the internet. This last page has more vocabulary to learn and practice about spring and spring weather. How is the weather today? Well, for me, as far as I can see, it is nice and sunny. This is the end of the presentation. Please complete as much of the packet as you can if you have one. More presentations will be posted as they are created. Remember to be safe, stay 6 feet away from people when you are away from your home, and wash hands as often as you can. Goodbye for now, Mr. Ebling.